Waiting you they do with my boyfriend. Now when you come, you don't begin thief man.
Excuse you? Who's thieving your man?
You, I see you with my two korokoro eye. I catch you red-handed with Obina. Come delete you now.
Now you listen to me and listen good. He approached me, offered to take me around this village. I obliged him and we became friends.
Now you don't talk the main thing wey make you say make I not follow you go round village because you don't already get plans. Say you won't go thief my man, make him carry you go round around the village. No be in Kosam. Just nah. Just yesterday you come you don't dey thief people man. Only God know the thing what you go do before Christmas finish.
Why we say these two people they always they behave like cat and rat or inside I mean cat and dog for inside movie, Oh my country people, how on a day I don't carry another wingo movie come for and I don't want again and now see they do them for my page. No moment at all. As in the cook come now so they carry can give you now. It's still your one and only amiable girl Cindy. Make I not just talk too much. Make una watch before I continue.
You city boy. We don't go Bodo, you we don't open your eye where you look me finish, you say you want me. Why you want me?
Because you're beautiful. You have a good heart, you're a good person. Yes.
So Obodo Ibo where you go, city where you dey, all those people where they I find past them. Beg leave me. Nothing I deceive you won't deceive me.
Listen, I'm not deceiving you. You're beautiful just the way you are. Okay, and if you give me the chance, I'll prove it to you.
Leave me.
Ada, just give me a chance. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, like you've agreed?
No, I'll go think about it and I'll give you an answer for 2 days. Get another thing waiting tell me. What's it? Tell me saying like
Hey!
Why are you shouting?
You don't enter another level. Hey, you know Badu. He like you. Okay. You know, fine,
Yes. But I tell and say, making give me today, so I go give him a reply.
Why now? If you tell him yes.
No. You know, say, if man like you, tell you say he like you, you go tell and say, let me think about it. Then after 2 days, you go come give him a reply.
Now, wow. So, now you bad though, you don't come here, you can't stay for that side, they talk, and they talk everything, you know, just not make idea.
But you're not supposed to date then, which you won't come date then, you talk.
Me, I'm not supposed to do that, I'm not be your sister. No, if tomorrow night you want to wedding, not me go still do your little bride.
But you go there with me and my husband.
You know this one way to say, now who knows what they say. Now you say you don't drive or don't know business too. You go open branch for you.
No, in go the press computer, me I go just sell onions.
I tell you, you never know. But you can't be this house now. You say you go call this one now from grace to gutter.
She told me how I made you feel. I didn't know. I'm sorry.
We don't do. I say make I tell you, make you no go with Obi now.
You still like him? He doesn't deserve you. And Tochi told me he told you he likes you. And that's a man who deserves you.
I know.
Then why are you being jealous of Obin and I? Moreover, I told you I would never date him. He's totally not my type.
I'm not that jealous of now.
Don't worry. Tomorrow will be my last hangout with him. From the 26th, we'll have all the fun together. As my best cousin.
New day, new video alert. Oh yeah, Unana see they do and rush to YouTube immediately. If you need the title of this movie, just type in the comment section title. and I will type in the title ASAP. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Still your one and only amiable girl Cindy. If this is your first time coming across my channel, you're welcome. My name is Cindy Gist TV. Do well to like, comment, share my videos. See, they give me one kind of encouragement to continue. Stay safe out there. Bye.